Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eugenia Kim and today I'm going to share with you this beautiful crochet granny square. It's called Diamond Granny Square and it's super easy to make it. All we need are 2-color yarn and the matching hook. So you can start with me and I show you step by step how to make each row. So we are going to start with the magic ring. Just grab the yarn, wrap around your finger, make an X. You have the loop. Then grab your hook and insert into the magic ring. Then pull the working yarn and yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook. So the magic ring is ready and we are going to chain 2 more. 1, 2. So you have chain 3 in total. Yarn over, insert into the magic ring, grab the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, first pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we count chain 3 as a double crochet, and so we have 2 double crochet, yarn over, insert into the magic ring, grab the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we have 3. And for this pattern we need 4 clusters of 3. So we have one side, now chain 1, and we are going to repeat again, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. So now I speed up a bit, pull through second, and the third one. So after you have 3 double crochet, you're going to chain 1 and repeat 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So we have 1 cluster, 2, 3, and now we are going to make our last cluster. 1, going to unwind some yarn, 2, and the last one, 3. So now we are going to pull this yarn, the tail, to close the hole, pull tighter, and then we are going to change the color. So yarn over. We are not changing the color the traditional way. We are going to make 1 half double crochet, so yarn over, and we join into the center stitch. As you can see with this method, the square is all symmetrical and you cannot see the color change visibly. So we are going to insert our hook into the center stitch, grab the yarn, and it's easier than joining into the top of chain 3. So now at this point you have 3 loops. We are going to add the second color. So now I'm using the yellow and pull through all 3. With this method you end up in the center of the first corner. So this is the corner stitch. You are going to start with 3 chain 3, 1, 2, 3, pull a bit the yarn, and now yarn over, insert into this where we had the half double crochet, or this chain 1 space, so between one cluster and the second cluster. Insert your hook, and we start to make corners. So 1, 2, yarn over, and the third double crochet. So keep the yarn here, and now we are moving, and we're keeping this yarn on top, so we don't have to weave later. We are moving to the next chain 1 space, so 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and we are using the yellow color. So I'm making first double crochet, second, and the third one, then I'm going to chain 1 and make other 3 double crochet into the same space. So we are making the corner. Corner is always 6. So we have one cluster of 3 and the second cluster of 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep the yarn on top. Then we are moving to a second chain 1 space, and we are making the same corner. So first we are making 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and make other. So you keep making by yourself, create the next corner, and then I show you how to finish here. So once you arrive here, you have already cluster of 3 that we made at the beginning of the row, and we are going to finish with the other 3, so the second cluster, and we make 1, 2, 3. So we are going to change the color again, and this time we make the same. We yarn over and insert into the center stitch. So here is our chain 3, so 1, 2, 3, we skip, and we insert in the center stitch. Grab this yellow color, we create 3 loops on the hook, and we pull through the gray one. So we finish row 2 and we are starting row 3. So once you made this, you are going to start with the gray color and repeat chain 3, then we are making 2 more double crochet, then we are starting in the center, we switch the color. So we are putting here the yellow one. So keep the yarn on top, the gray yarn on top inside. Grab the yellow one and make 3 double crochet. So this is not corner, so just 3, and we are moving to the corner. We are changing the color for the gray one and inserting the hook into the chain 1 space between the 2 clusters. So we have to pull a bit the yarn. 1, 2, 3. So this is the corner, so we are going to add another cluster of gray. So 1, 2, 3, and we are in the center again. We are switching to yellow one. So yarn over and insert and make. So I think you understood this row. You are keep making the corner, so you have 2 clusters, and in the center you put the yellow one. Once you are here, I will show you how to start the new row and finish this one. I'm at the end of the row and I'm going to show you how to finish. It's all the same. You always finish the same way. You have the cluster of 3 and you need to add the second cluster to make a corner. So 1, 2, 3, and I hope you remember here we are going to yarn over and insert our hook into the center stitch. Grab the yellow, the gray color, 3 loops, and switch the color to the yellow. So the next row we are going to have our yellow corner, and then we are adding the gray stitch here in the center. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, and then we are going to switch the color to the gray one and insert into these spaces between the cluster and the corner. 1, 2. Don't forget to keep the yellow color always on top, the changing color, and the inside, so you keep it 1, 2, and the third double crochet. So this row you're making the corner with the yellow and you have 2 gray on top of this yellow, and you keep making all the sides, and then I will show you this last row how to finish the granny square. So we practically finished this granny square. You can see how fast and simple this granny square is, and it's super beautiful. It's very elegant, and I think it suits any crochet cardigan, bag or blanket. I like the granny squares because you can make whatever. They are like Legos for crochet, and you can make so many projects. And also you can change colors, sizes. It's super customizable. So please tell me in the comments your ideas, how you can use them, and maybe we can crochet something together. And now I'm going to switch the color. I'm pretty sure you understood how, and show you the last row. So this is gonna be the next row. We'll have the gray color. Okay. 3 loops, and we are ready to start. So we are going to have gray corners and just have the yellow stitch and then the gray in the center. Here between the two grays you have gray, and here before corners you have yellow. I think it's very easy. 1, 2, 3. So start the corner stitch. 1, 2, 3. And then simply switch the color to the yellow one. One, 2, 3, and then between these two grays, keep the yellow on top, you have the gray color. So you create a diamond, which looks fabulous and makes it unique. Granny square. Then you switch to yellow one. Here we have yellow. 1, 2, 3, and then you make the gray corner again. I think you understood how to make it. Then you will have just this color we already weave in, so you just cut the yarn and hide just the ends here that you will cut here, because we always kept the yarn and we don't have to weave so many colors. That's why I love this pattern. It's super beautiful on both sides. So thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope you already subscribed to my channel. That helps me to promote my channel. As you know, YouTube algorithm, if you comment, subscribe and click the bell button, it makes my videos more visible. So please, if you like this video, don't forget these things. And also I would like to know in the comments what you are going to do with this yarn or with this pattern, if you are going to crochet something special. And you can join my Facebook group or Telegram in case you have questions. I can always see your pictures, help you in case you have some problem. And you can, I just love to see your already finished projects. I have few followers who also give me super thanks, and I'm so grateful for your support. So thanks for watching, and I really love to share my pattern. So I hope you enjoy this one as well. See you again next time.